All right, so let's get to some examples now on calculating this limit definition of the derivative. A lot of times you'll be asked to use the limit definition of the derivative, and that is what these two examples are. There is a way to calculate derivatives, which we will learn shortly, where we don't have to crack out the limit each and every time, but we're not there yet. So from now on, at least for the time being, if you're asked to use the limit definition of derivative, make sure you're actually doing this process. Some of you already know some calculus from high school or physics classes maybe, or your peers. Make sure that if it says use the limit definition derivative, you do use this. Okay. So what is the slope of the tangent line to this graph of f equals x squared at x equals 2? So the limit definition of derivative says that the slope of the tangent line is the limit as h goes to 0 of f of our point in question. In this case, our a value is 2, but I'm just going to write this out for now. Okay. Let's make that a little bit better. It was a little uglier there. Okay. So now that we're there, for this problem, we know that our our a value, I should say, is 2. So this is really going to be f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 all over h. And then we know what the function is, so we can go ahead and plug in 2 plus h into the function. And then we can simplify. So we've seen limits like this already, so we'll go ahead and we'll just expand that to get 4 plus 4h plus h squared minus 4. Make sure that you guys are foiling. Remember that a plus b quantity squared is not equal, as much as everyone would love it to be, a squared plus b squared. That's not true, so don't do that. Make sure you are foiling things, even if you do it in your head. So what we can do here is cancel the 4's, and then here we can definitely say that this is effectively going to become h times 4 plus h, and then that would allow us to cancel these h's. And then we just have the limit as h goes to 0 of 4 plus h, which is then just 4. So the slope of the tangent line to the graph of f of x equals x squared at x equals 2 is 4.